You have read first part of the lesson Lost String. I find a 1 rupee note. Today I am telling you the summary of the lesson Lost Spring Part 2. I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car. The title of the lesson Lost Spring. In this part, the writer expresses about the miserable condition of bangle makers and their life. According to lesson, the writer describes a scene of Firozabad. As you know, Firozabad is famous for bangle making in India. In this lesson, the writer describes the profession and life of bangle makers. According to lesson, the writer finds miserable condition of bangle makers. Bangle making is very famous in Firozabad. There is work of bangle making in every houses in Firozabad. The people have to work in dark cells and high temperature while they make bangles for Indian women. In other hand, they spend their lives in miserable condition. They live in small houses and in dirty surroundings. And they spend simple life. According to lesson, the people are making bangles in every houses in Firozabad from many generations. And mostly elders want to do their family profession as bangle makings. But a Mukesh named boy who wants to come out from the poverty and miserable condition The author finds a dream and a sign in the face of Mukesh because he wants to become a motor mechanic and he wants to drive a car. In this lesson, the bangle makers are exploited by rich man, middlemen, government officers, and policemen because they have not their own leader. Whenever they want to fight with politicians and government officers, they are hauled by the police and they are arrested by the police. Anis Jung, who is a famous writer who describes the life of bangle makers in the lesson Lost Spring in part 2. Mostly bangle makers work in glass industries in Firozabad. There are many hazards to work in glass industry. According to lesson, the pupil lose their eyesight in early age and they have to work in high temperature and they lose their health. In other hand, there are dangers of cracking the glass in glass industry. The government does not look their miserable condition. According to lesson, the author wants that the government should improve their lives and government should do something better for the bangle makers. लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग पाठ का दूसरा भाग जो एनिस जंग द्वारा लिखा गया है। इस पाठ का जो शीर्षक है, मैं कार चलाना चाहता हूँ। यह शीर्षक एक मुकेश नाम के लड़के से जुड़ा है। इस भाग में लेखिका चूड़ी निर्माताओं के जीवन पर प्रकाश डालती है। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, फिरोज़ाबाद चूड़ी निर्माण के लिए भारत प्रसिद्ध है, जहां प्रत्येक परिवार में चूड़ी बनाने का कार्य किया जाता है। चूड़ी निर्माताओं को अत्यधिक कठोर परिश्रम करना पड़ता है और वे एक दयनीय जीवन व्यतीत करते हैं तथा दूसरी ओर पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी वे कर्ज में डूबे रहते हैं। उनके मध्य कोई एक ऐसा नेता नहीं है जो उनके लिए सरकार से लड़ सके। यदि वे कभी आवाज़ उठाते हैं, पुलिस द्वारा उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाता है और वे कई पीढ़ियों तक दयनीय स्थिति में जीने के लिए बाध्य हो जाते हैं। तो इस पाठ में लेखिका लोगों की दयनीय स्थिति और दरिद्रता का वर्णन करती है, जो आज भी भारत में विद्यमान है। यह पाठ का सारांश है। इस पाठ से संबंधित जो ऊपर वर्ड मीनिंग दिए हैं उसको कॉपी में आपने करना है तथा कुछ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे जो फेयर नोटबुक में आपने करने हैं। धन्यवाद।